Hey guys, welcome back to EAS Simulator 3. Today I did a Romanian alert and I made this transition of Romanian. So it was like 30 minutes. And if I play this, let's see. Oh, this warning gave me nightmares. Gave me nightmares along the way. I'm in this way. I couldn't notice. What is this? The audio was breaking up, so let's hear this Romanian text. Bench.
ATNTIE. Este un atac nuclear, va dura 30 minute.
Yeah, it takes 30 minutes onto a nuclear attack. And I translated this to Romanian. And check this, subscribe to any Galaxy Railways account you want. So, if you want to enjoy more Romanian alerts, check me down in the comments. I love how are you doing. So, go ahead and shut